It tastes like, okay, so do you remember when like the ice cream truck used to come in your neighborhood?
Yeah.
It tastes...
Hey, it's me, Mr. Dave K. And look at what it is. Whoa, it's a real ice cream truck. And today, you and I are gonna learn about ice cream trucks. Ooh, all right, now let's learn the parts of this ice cream truck on the outside. Whoa, it's red, white, and blue ice cream. Down on the street. Sweet wheels and tires. Let me show you. Wow. All right, you see this red knob? You pull it out and watch what happens. Ooh, you see this? This is a switch for music.
Hello everyone and welcome to the show. It's about that time, to the Disney parks we go. When I see Mickey Mouse and I see Pluto, I will say what's up, I will say hello. At the end of the night, gotta see the night.
And look right here. Look at all these ice cream choices we have. Ooh.
All right, now let's hop in the back.
All right, let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. Whoa, the inside of an ice cream truck.
I don't think it's funny.
Whoa, this is where the driver of the ice cream truck sits. It's just like a normal vehicle. This big white thing right here, this is the freezer. Let's open it up. Whoa! 2. All right, now we need to let everyone know on Twitter and Instagram where we are. All right. All right. First we have cotton candy. Who wants cotton candy? Ooh, yum. There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. We have an ice cream sandwich.
That's me.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And a Hello Kitty. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Enjoy the ice cream.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, now let's hop in the back.
Ooh, look at what I have.